Hi. If I type 1 in any cell of this column, then kg gets written ahead of it automatically. And if I type any number greater than 1, then kg's get written automatically. How did I do that? Let's see. I want to perform this task in the first column of this sheet, so I will select a few cells from the first column. Press right-click. Then select the Format Cells option. From the Categories section, select the Custom option. Here, we have to type a formula. This is the formula. If the entered number is greater than 1, then kg should be written ahead of the number automatically. Else, kg should be written. Then press OK. Now if I type 1 in any cell of this column, then we will get 1 kilogram written. And if I type any number greater than 1, then we will get kgs written. I hope you learned something new today. Thanks for watching.